Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen doing a delicious twist on a classic BLT. We're making a belt, a BELT sandwich. That's bacon, eggs, lettuce, and tomato. Start by cooking your bacon until it's nice and crispy. Then we're going to scramble up some eggs just the way you like them. Toast a couple of slices of bread until they are golden brown. Now it's time to build your sandwich. Spread a little mayo on the toast, then add your eggs, the crispy bacon, some fresh lettuce, and juicy tomato slices. If you like, you can even add a slice of American cheese for extra flavor. Put the top piece of toast on, slice it in half, and there you have it, a delicious belt sandwich. It's simple, satisfying, and perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a quick dinner. Just out of curiosity, would you add an egg to your BLT and make it into a BELT? Let me know down in the comments. And I just want to say thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.